So I finished it about an hour or two ago before sunset. Well, I just finished mounting everything. I still had the cables to run, and I just finished mounting the cables, and I just took it for a spin without gasoline, just in case I needed to adjust anything. And I didn't check the calipers yet, but yeah, it did move a bit. It moved a slight bit. It's not covering the whole rotor. I should have known that. Shit. But it's working, and that's what matters. And boy, does it stop. Oh yes, it stops. It really stops. When I was drilling the hole here, I broke my 3/8 bit. Fuck. I was gonna put one more here. That probably would have prevented it from moving up. Or maybe what I'll do is I'll hammer it down, put one here, and drive a wedge. But yeah, I just took it for a spin, and boy, when you pull the lever to stop it, she stops very, very well. I don't know if you can see anything there. Let me see. Right. Let's see if I can see the caliper. Okay, it's over there. And it's moved up. Oh, not by much. Actually, might be. No, I don't think. Okay, only about 2-3 millimeters. So that's what I think I will do. I'll drive a wedge there instead of trying to put 3 bolts there for an adjustment. So I'm very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. Oh my god, am I happy with that. It is solid. Oh, and I didn't show this. That's what I fashioned to mount it. 1/2 inch solid aluminum on both sides. See there? They mount straight into the original brake boss with the original Allen screws, and the carriage bolts run all the way through the 2x4. These are 5/16, and here I think eventually I might put a piece of board here and make it like a dashboard. It's not important now, but thankfully all my levers are there. I still have to put my emergency brake. I'm gonna put it here somewhere, and my gear shifter, but everything's all buttoned up tight. It's solid. It's very solid, and it stops the bike. It's not like that rubber junk in the back there. I can have to handle the brake lever all the way down to the handlebar, and that rubber junk in the back there sometimes just won't stop the bike. So I'm happy with that. Very, very, very satisfied. That means tomorrow morning I'm going into town and I'm going to buy food to eat because I am hungry. I have nothing to eat in the house. I'm just going to boil some noodles and eat it with ketchup. I worked on that all day today. Just cutting those aluminum brackets there, drilling the 4 holes on the 2x4s, the 3 holes on the aluminum. I snapped a small bit, my pilot bit, and that gave me a lot of trouble trying to get it out. But snapping my 3/8 on there, that really pissed me off. I'm happy with that. Oh, and this whole entire assembly, the brake lever and brake caliper included. On the scale weighs about 15 to 17 pounds, and that wood is still pretty green. I'm pretty sure it'll dry out, but I might not lose that much weight. So yeah, I'm very satisfied with that. Very, very satisfied with that.